Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. So firstly, you have to right click on your desktop and go to the display settings. Now in the display section and a scale and layout section, you will find the scaling of your desktop. Be sure to set it to the recommended, and also the resolution should be also set to the recommended of your PC. After that, close it, go to the search panel, then type Roblox player. Now click on open. Let the application open properly. After that, go to the more section, and from here you have to click on settings, then accessibility. Now click on reduced motion. After that, you will see that there is no more cursor going off screen. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.